How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. Now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy, and after that you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on account center. And now from here, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and then you can just tap on manage accounts. And now here in this section, you can just tap on manage account on those account that you want to unlink. And after that, on this section you can just tap on this option that says move out of this account center. So simply tap on it, and here in this section you can just tap on move account, and after that you can just tap on continue. And on the next page you can confirm by selecting yes, finish moving, and once you do that, they will be unlinked and they will no longer share login or account syncing feature. And that's it. That's how you can unlink Instagram from Facebook. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.